We often receive some consumers to say, there is no color display on that line with the test, vague to see the line. You can everyone why they see this kind of situation generally, so I'm going to take another strip out, and then in this case it could be there is not enough urine, even a third of the urine. When do the test, the liquid dip to SAMLL, which will cause not climb up. This fluid gets up here and then it stops climbing. So that's one situation. The other thing is that when there's enough urine, insert the liquid too quickly. Like this, dip it in, and it comes out. It can also cause fail to climb up. It will cause this detection result invalid, the same as over too much max line. Many users said that I did not exceed the max line. What might happen to them? It is possible that the strip was dipped directly in the test when the line did not exceed max. Normally, it should be vertical. Then it enter the liquid for detection. Some people dip the strip directly in it, and the liquid level has exceeded the max line. This is a situation. And then there's the angle of view problem. If I'm standing up, I might not be looking at the most accurate position. And when I look at this, I have to look at the eye level to see if it has gone beyond the arrow of the max line. That there are people, he tear the test strip in front of the max line, tape, even to tear the back. What kind of result will be caused? This will cause the test strip incomplete, and the test result will be invalid, because when this is torn open, the immune colloidal gold binding pad will be disconnected from the membrane, which will cause the liquid fail to climb up. This cannot be tested. Membrane is white. Read the instructions first, right? Yes. The second, you must do the test under the correct operation. Dip the urine into the right position, and then insert depth in accordance with this requirement. And then it just sits vertically and we wait for the red liquid climb up the top of the display membrane. And then we lay it flat. Is that right? Yes, that's right. If we use it correctly, followed the instruction. What is the accuracy rate of our product? It's about 99%. Pretty accurate, right? You'd say greater than 99. Well, we've been saying don't go over the max line. Can you tell us about the product structure and why the max line cannot exceed it?